How to connect your Exness to TradingView. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to connect your Exness account to the TradingView account. So the process of connecting both these accounts is quite simple. So all you have to do is just simply watch the video till the very end, and I will show you all the step-by-step guidance or the tutorial through which you can connect both your accounts successfully. So first of all you have to do is just simply log into your Exness account, and after that you can go to the official website of Exness in order to use it properly, and after that you also have to log in into your TradingView account onto the official website of TradingView itself. And onto the TradingView website, just simply click on open chart section from the icon in the top right corner in the screen, and from there just simply click on new chart and click on select broker. That icon will be appearing on the upper right corner of the screen, and after that in the list of supported brokers just select the Exness and click on connect, and just enter your Exness credentials in order to sign in to your TradingView account through your Exness account. And after you have successfully connected, you will be able to see the trade icon at the upper right corner of the chart. You just simply have to click on it to open the trading dashboard, and then you can choose the product quantity, order type, and price to place a buy or sell order. You can also set up stop loss, take profit, and also trailing stop for your orders. And after confirming your order, you will be able to see that it will appear on the chart with all these details and information, and you can adjust or cancel your order by dragging or clicking from there and then. And after that your account will be connected quite successfully. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to connect your Exness account with TradingView. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.